Homework number 1 in functions. You should implement a function, special multiplication. The function is going to take an object of type string. It will return another string where each character is repeated according to its position. For example, let's say we have an input like ABCXF. A is number 1, so it will repeat it once as A. B is number 2, so it will repeat it twice. C is number 3, it will repeat it 3 times. X is number 4, it will be repeated 4 times, and so on. You will also develop a function that can tell us a max of 6 numbers. Develop for us like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, yeah. These are 5 functions: max 2, max 3, max 4, max 5, max 6. Max 6 is returning the answer, the maximum of the 6 functions here. And this is max 2 already. I'm writing it for you. What I'm requesting here is that every function of these guys, 3, 4, 5, 6, must be only a single line of code, okay? And the moral of this homework is how to make use of the other functions that are available here with us. Homework number 3, we already implemented before in the loops the getting nth prime and the is prime function. So you are going to implement is prime and nth prime functionalities that we did before. For example, these are the prime numbers, so 13 is number 6 among these prime numbers. Homework number 4, we will implement what we call a Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence is a very popular and amazing sequence. The sequence is as following: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on. Every number here is the summation of the previous 2 numbers. For example, 13 is the sum of 5 and 8. 8 is the sum of 3 and 5. 5 is the sum of 2 and 3. If we would like to generate this sequence, we can actually do it iterative forward, like starting with 0 and 1, then sum them, you get 1. Sum these 2 guys, you get 2. Sum these 2, you get 3. Sum this 2, you get 5. Sum this 2, you get 8, and so on. So write a function that take an n and return the nth Fibonacci for us. Remember, it's just simple loop because this function can be implemented in several complicated ways. That's all.